Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Cancer placements. This is your general and the current person on your mind reading. Okay, mid-October. So, titingnan natin kung ano bang meron. So, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And again, kung may tanong sa private reading and sa ating mga charms, so yes, message lang po sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay, so ito yung sample ng isa sa charm natin. So ito yung cord cut. Okay, yung cord cutting natin, yung pangtanggal, pang-alis ng alat o ng MALAS. Pwede sa'yo, pwede sa bahay mo, pwede sa business. Okay, and syempre, yung ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. Okay. So, ito siya. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ito siya. So, yan siya. Meron siyang citrine stone. Sa mga may alam about citrine stone, so yes. Okay. And sa mga hindi alam ang citrine stone po siya yung merchant stone na sinasabi and the money magnet. Okay. So, yes, makakatulong sa inyo yan in general pagdating po sa pamemera and yung atin pong grantor necklace. So, si grantor yung taga-grant ng inyong mga minamanifest, yung inyong mga wini-wish, mga ganyan. Dapat po, mag-ano lang, tawag dyan, positive lang, okay? Hindi tayo nagwi-wish ng masama para sa iba. Okay po? Kasi, yes, alam niyo na, pag ganyan, may balik. Okay? May balik, kahit maganda rin, may balik rin yon. So, kung anong meron, binabato mo, yun din ang babalik. Okay? And syempre, ang tawag dyan, yung ating mga protection from evil eye. So, yes, meron tayo nun. So, ito yung sample ng ating ring. Yung ring natin po is adjustable, by the way. Meron din tayong necklace and bracelets. Okay? So, and yes, tawag dyan, meron tayong cleansing kit. Okay? Cleansing kit, recharging kit po, no? Na ang laman ay selenite crystal and yung ating white sage. Okay, no need to wait for full moon, o diba? So, let's see what's for our Cancer yan this mid-October. Okay, Cancer, it's for you. The 6 of Cups. Strength, yes. Ang unang-una ko narinig dito kay 6 of Cups is strength. Okay? And building. So, ito nga, sumunod siya. So, ito po, ang nakikita ko dito, this mid-October, may chance na makarecover. Okay, yung iba sa inyo, makaka-recover na mula sa mga, sabihin nating, trauma, no, na nangyari, trauma na naibigay sa inyo nung mga nakaraan, mga ganyan. Okay? So, yeah, the 4 of Swords. Some of you, this could be pamamahinga. Okay, pamamahinga. So, 6 of Cups, strength. For me, kailangan yung samahan ng effort. Okay, lalo na nga po yung mga gusto mag-heal. Okay, yung mga gusto mag-heal, syempre, hindi rin kailangan yung may iba para mag-heal kayo. You don't need that. Okay? Sa iba sa inyo, yes, kailangan yan, plus yun, pero mas maganda kung sa tingin nyo makakapag-heal rin kayo ng kayo lang. What if wala? Diba? So, yeah. What else? The Hangman. Puro oo. So, dalawang major arcana. So, the Hanged One, the Hanged Man, what's this? The Queen of Swords. Pendings about sa mga legal matter, legal issue this mid-October. Okay? Yeah. May mga mapipending po about legal issues or legal matter this mid-October. Kung ano man yan, I don't know. Okay, so in general po, pwedeng merong hindi maumpisahan, hindi matuloy, yeah, mga ganyan pong bagay. Okay? I'm hearing acupuncture. I don't know kung anong meron. So, the Lovers. Some of you, there's still this water sign or a Gemini still attached, no, dito sa connection na meron. Okay, I'm hearing somebody will resurface this mid-October. Okay, could be physically, sabihin nating pwedeng mga paramdam or pwedeng through 5D, mga ganyan. Ano po yung 5D? Panaginip. Okay, may mga magre-resurface, somebody from your past this mid-October. Could be your ex. Okay, so what's with these lovers? Yeah, the devil. Some of you, the sex is good. Oo, parang ganun ang naririnig ko this mid-October sa mga may karelasyon dyan. Okay, yeah. So marami sigurong time for chukchak chenes this mid-October, no? So yeah, the magician. Yung iba sa inyo nakikita ko na pwedeng yung mga long distance dito na nasa relationship nga, pwedeng magkita this mid-October and dun nga may mangyayaring chukchak chenes, no? Okay, yeah, the 8 of Wands. Somebody will travel. Okay, so yes, yo. I'm hearing some of you pwedeng magkaroon ng visa to travel. Okay, pwedeng mabibigyan ng visa. Strength, Queen of Swords, the Devil. Diba sa inyo, ikaw itong parang magkakaroon ng lakas ng loob na i-cut off kung sino man ang nagbibigay ng hindi maganda sa'yo. Could be situation or person. Okay? So, there. That's nice. So, let's see the current person, the person on your mind. Okay, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so Cancer, who is this person you're thinking? And let's see kung ano bang meron, anong ganap, anong kailangan mong malaman sa kanya this mid-October. So, sino ba ite? Sino to? Cancerians. Okay, the 8 of Swords. You're thinking of this person heavily. Maybe some of you are still stuck, or maybe some of them could be stuck, no, sa'yo. What's with this 8 of Swords? Yeah, the 7 of Swords. Oh my gosh. Some of you pwedeng wala kang tiwala sa taong to. Isip ka ng isip. Feeling mo, yeah, lagi ka may tamang hinala. Lagi kang tamang hinala sa kanya. Yeah. Okay? Yung iba po sa inyo pwedeng may chance na kayo ay magkasama pa rin hanggang ngayon. Pero nandun na yung mga tamang hinala mo. Okay? Pag overthink sa person, somebody na pwedeng iniisip mo is nagsisinungaling sa'yo or nagtatago sa'yo ng kung ano man. Wala ka ng peace of mind. Okay? Hindi ka na niya nabibigyan ng peace of mind. So, let's see anong kailangan mong malaman sa kanya this mid-October. The 4 of Swords in reverse. Puro swords. Pwedeng air sign yung ka-deal mo, Okay, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. So, the 4 of Swords in reverse. And the Magician. Oh, don't trust this person talaga. Oo. Itong taong to, sabihin nating self-centered, selfish, mga ganyang energy. Kaya the 2 of Cups in reverse could be kasi ang nangyayari dito hindi po mutual yung nararamdaman ninyo sa isa't isa. So that is why nakakagawa siya ng kung ano-ano man na hindi mo nagugustuhan. So sa ngayon, ang kailangan mong malaman is pwedeng may mga pagde-deny, pwedeng may mga pagtatago, no, pwedeng may mga sasabihin sa'yo, pero hindi lahat totoo, hindi lahat tama, hindi lahat mali, hindi lahat, sabihin nating transparent, parang ganyan. Okay? So, for me, in general, ang kailangan mong malaman dito sa taong to na pinag-iisipan mo ng kung ano, nag-overthink ka na, wala ka ng peace of mind over them, is talagang hindi mo kailangang magtiwala sa mga sasabihin pa niya. Okay? Magaling siyang magmaniobra, magmanipula. Yun po ang kailangan yung malaman. May Virgo and a lot of air sign. Yeah, the High Priestess Universe. Iba po sa inyo, mabibigyan kayo ng mga sinyales. Okay, pwedeng meron ding mga talagang ilalabas na kung ano man, sabihin nating magpapatibay na tama ang mga hinala ninyo this mid-October. Yeah, the Ace of Wands. Okay? Yes. So, I think, kung may mangyaring kung ano man, like ending sa inyong dalawa, isipin nyo lang na blessing in disguise yung mangyaring yun, okay? So, who else, Cancer? Who else? And let's see kung ano bang meron this mid-October. The Eight of Cups. So, pwedeng nilayuan mo. Pwede may distansya sa inyo ng taong to in general. Okay, distansya. Amigo. Madalas nakikita ko yung sa mga truck. Oo. So, Eight of Cups. And the Page of Cups in reverse. Okay, may pagka-sensitive itong person, I think. Hindi sila open emotionally. Yeah. I think, that's their way. Kung paano nila, parang, ang tawag dito, aalagaan or i-care yung sarili nila from other people. Okay, parang ganon. Anyway, some of them, they could be younger. Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, so ano bang meron? Iba sa inyo, crush ka nito. Yeah, iba sa inyo, crush ka niya. Pwedeng tinatago lang niya. The emotion is hindi talaga pinapakita, pero yeah, they're acting distant. Okay, they're acting distant. So, anong kailangan mong malaman sa kanya? The Page of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, they're young. They are young. And the Nine of Cups. So, itong taong to, sa tingin ko, sabihin nating i-admire ka lang. Okay, i-admire ka lang from afar. Oo, the Eight of Pentacles in reverse. There's no actions na pwedeng gawin itong taong to. No effort. No plans. Yeah, the Hermit in reverse and Death. So, it's like, yeah, parang blunt. Okay, it's like, nakatago lang talaga. So, kung meron kang napapansin na parang there's something about the person, may feeling ka about the person na parang there's something, parang alam mo na crush ka, yeah, I think, pwedeng itatago at itatago pa rin nila. Okay, pero you're their wish fulfillment. Like, yeah, merong itong mga gagawin something like subtle action, subtle, like maliliit po na actions, pero yun nga, maguguluhan ka pa rin. Okay, iba kasi sa kanila, masyadong bata. Masyadong bata, no? Hindi pa sila ganun ka-ready maybe, or hindi pa ganun ka-mature enough. Okay, hindi pa nila alam kung paano gagawin, something like that. Pero nandun yung parang ipapakita niyang humahanga siya sa'yo. Okay? Pero nandun pa rin yung parang maguguluhan ka pa rin. Kasi hindi niya alam kung paano. Okay? Pwede may mga actions, pero sa salita, parang wala. Yeah, see? The star. Paghanga. Okay, so, what else? And who else? O, diba? For Cancerians. Let's see. Who else? Who else? Who else? Cancer. Who's this person? Let's see. Ano bang meron this mid-October? Anong kailangan mong malaman? Sino to? The Queen of Pentacles in reversed. Meron na ditong pagtanggi, pag-ayaw, paglayo, mga ganyang bagay. The Queen of Pentacles in reversed. And the Five of Cups. Oh, you're moving on from this person. You're moving on. Two of Pentacles, the Ace of Wands. Pero yung iba sa inyo, sabihin natin na parang nahihirapan kayo na mag-move on from this person. Kasi sabihin natin talagang nandun yung pagkamabait ng tao. Mahirap lang talagang layuan. Pero kailangan. Yeah, the Knight of Wands in reversed. Hindi mo alam kung tama ba. Hindi mo alam kung dapat ba. Hindi mo sure. Okay? So, siguro, iba sa inyo, nilalayuan mo na tong taong to kasi kailangan. Or you're in the moving on process. Okay, anong kailangan mong malaman sa kanya, Cancer? Anong kailangan mong malaman din sa taong to? Okay, Death. So, there could be changes. Could be acceptance na pwedeng nangyayari dun sa person. Okay, Death, changes, endings. Yan, the Queen of Swords in reverse. Ayaw rin niya yung nangyayari sa ngayon sa inyo. Okay? Some of them gusto nila makipag-usap. Ayaw nila nang nangyayari ngayon. See the strength. There could be, sabihin nating effort sa sarili nila na tanggapin yung situation sa ngayon. Kasi pwedeng they're trying to mirror you. Mahirap para sa'yo, mahirap din para sa kanya. Some of them, pwedeng hindi pa rin nila talaga maintindihan yung sitwasyon. Hindi pa rin nila talaga alam kung paano tatanggapin. Okay? Kung anong meron sa connection ninyo. Yeah, the Queen of Swords in reverse. Hindi ko sasantabi na yung emosyon ng taong to ngayon is pwedeng may galit. Okay? The Hermit. Yeah. They're trying to avoid or isolate yung sarili nila from you, from the situation. Okay? So, may mga pagbabago siya. Pwedeng ang dahilan ng mga pagbabagong yun is dala na rin ng galit, dala na rin ng kung ano man na hindi maganda. Okay? Some of you pwedeng same gender kayo. Okay po? So, let's see. Let's go sa all signs. Aries through Pisces. Again po, kung may tanong pagdating sa ating private reading, yan, personal reading, and sa ating mga charms, sa ating mga pang-protection from evil eye, sa ating cleansing and recharging kit, just message me. Okay, sa akin pong FB page, legit FB page po, kasi ang daming gumagaya ng page natin. Okay, be vigilant. So, let's see. Aries through Pisces. So, after this, doon tayo sa charm reading. Okay, Aries, they don't know what to do. Oo, andun yung energy na parang, oh no! Parang ganun. Okay, it's like parang pagguho. Walang makapitan, walang masandalan, parang ganyan. I'm hearing separation with an Aries. So, Taurus, inconsistent. Gemini, they're open. Cancer, they're sad. Some of them, they're hiding something. Leo, there's a lot of confusion, a lot of mixed signals rin. Okay, Virgo, they're guarded. Okay, Libra, they're still open for another chance, Libra. Okay, Scorpio. Some of them, they're looking for you online. They're stalking you. May ganong energy galing kay Scorpio. So, Sagittarius, they want commitment. They want to commit. So, Capricorn, there's blockages in general. Aquarius, can't move on. Pisces, there could be energy of missed opportunity. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. Missed opportunity. So, tayo ay tumungo sa ating tawag dyan charm reading. Okay, so again, ikaw nang bahala kung paano mo i-connect yung sarili mo, dito sa atin pong mga mabubunot. Okay, so parang patibay, patunay na pwedeng yes sa'yo nga yung reading kung naka-resonate ka. Okay, pero kung wala naman, okay lang din. So, what's for our Cancerian? Okay, Cancer. Cancerians. For Cancerians. For Cancerians. Okay, isa pa. Cancer. Ba't ganun? Ang dami-dami nito, pero paulit-ulit yung aking mga nakukuha. Magkakaiba to, sa totoo lang. Yung iba talaga, may mga magkakapareho, pero pareho din silang nakukuha, mga ganyang bagay. Anyway, so let's see. Ihuli ko yung initials. Unahin natin ito. Okay, so a cat and the book. So another cat, diba? May cat na naman and another cat. Some of you, meron kayong dalawang cat, color yellow na cat. Ayan o. So, meron ditong butterfly. Meron pang isang butterfly dito. May nakalagay, created for you. Pwedeng may something about a butterfly na parang handmade. Okay. So, meron ditong ribbon. A blue ribbon. So, a red wine, tree of life. Kapag may tree of life, energy nito is there could be something significant happen. Okay, something significant happen sa'yo, like endings or maybe changes, mga ganyang bagay. Okay, may mga nangyayaring bago, yan, lately. So, we have here a star. A starfish, okay, a dog. Some of you could be dealing with an Aquarius. I don't know why. I'm channeling an Aqua. Yung star kasi, diba? O, Aquarius yun. So, a note. Pwedeng mahilig ka sa music. So, a snowman. Okay, a snowman. And a feather. And I think this is Saturn. Okay, Saturn, yung may ring. Oo. And I think this is Gemini. Mali. Pisces. Anyway, so there. Pisces. Nalilito talaga ako sa symbols, oo. Hindi ko kasi siya sa ulo. So, Pisces. Ang hirap. Oh my God. So, yan po. No, so, yung dalawang initial, may dalawa tayong initial na nakuha. Isang letter G, letter G, and isang letter S. Okay, S. So there, yun ang ating reading for you, Cancer placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below, yung ating love letter. Okay, again, thank you. Goodbye.